Welcome everybody. If you are experiencing the issue with your charging, let's say you're trying to charge your Xiaomi devices, but you cannot do it and you don't even know how to fix this problem. Okay, if you are, however, facing this problem, don't worry. Let me just go ahead and quickly show you how you can fix this problem once for all for your Xiaomi devices. To fix this problem, guys, first of all, you have to understand why this problem is happening with your devices. Now, this problem can happen because of your charger, your charging port, and also can happen because of the battery, okay? Now, the first things I want you guys to do, just go ahead and simply clean your charging port, okay? Now, if you have the dust particle inside of your charging port, then your charging port will not work. So make sure to clean it up, and right afterward, go ahead and check it whether it is charging or not. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at your cable. That's the next part that we're going to talk about. Now, your cable, if it is getting faulty or if it is faulty, then your phone will not be able to charge. Now, the simple recommendation is here, just go ahead and change your cable to something like that, or you can use any other cable, Xiaomi's cable, in order to see whether it is working with your device or not. Now, even after changing your cable, if something goes wrong with your adapter, also you can experience charging issues. So, which is also recommendable for you guys, simply go ahead and change your adapter if possible to fix your problem. Well, if none of this process works, nothing helped you out in order to fix your charging issue, then the last things I'm going to just go ahead and simply recommend you guys to do is to charge your phone overnight. Now, I know it's not charging, simply go ahead and leave it for overnight. Hopefully doing it so your problem will be solved and you'll be able to fix your problem. So if it is, you're going to fix that problem only if it doesn't have any issues with hardware, okay? In case if it has any hardware issues, in that case you gotta go to the Xiaomi center. Hopefully they'll help you to fix your problem if it is the hardware related issue. So these are the things you guys can literally try on your Xiaomi devices in order to fix your charging issues. Hope this video is useful. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and let us know what you think about this video. Thanks for watching.